scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Comparative advantage questions look scary, but this one is quick if you compare opportunity costs instead of just staring at who finishes surgeries faster. Comparative advantage is determined by opportunity cost, not absolute speed. So ask what each doctor gives up to do one elbow surgery instead of knee surgery. That is the key move. Dr. Art needs 2 hours for one knee and 1 hour for one elbow, so one elbow uses half the time of a knee. Dr. Zed gives up only 1/4. Since Zed's opportunity cost for an elbow is lower, Zed has the comparative advantage in elbow surgery, which matches option B exactly. Well done, option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given facts, then check steps. So comparative advantage comes from opportunity cost.